Building a war chest. Unlocking the secrets. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the fascinating phrase, building a war chest. This expression is not only rich in history but also widely used in modern contexts. Let's dive into its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. At its core, building a war chest refers to the act of accumulating a reserve of funds or resources, specifically for a major undertaking, such as a campaign, a competition, or a significant project. The term, war chest, originally denoted a literal chest where money was stored for war efforts. In contemporary usage, it has evolved to symbolize any saved or allocated money intended for a big event or challenge. The concept of a war chest dates back to ancient times when physical chests were used to store valuables, including gold and silver, to finance military campaigns. This historical context underscores the phrase's martial roots. However, as societies evolved, the term, war chest, began to be used metaphorically across various non-military fields, such as politics, business, and sports, where strategic fund accumulation is crucial for success. Understanding the phrase, building a war chest, enables you to use it aptly in diverse scenarios. Here are a few examples. In business, a company might build a war chest to fund a future expansion or to fend off potential takeovers. In politics, a candidate may accumulate a war chest to support their campaign for election. In personal finance, individuals might talk about building a war chest as a way of saving money for a large future expense, like buying a house or funding a significant trip. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the intriguing phrase, building a war chest. Understanding such expressions not only enriches your English vocabulary but also provides insight into the cultural and historical contexts that shape the language. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we encourage you to build your own linguistic war chest by continuing to learn and explore the English language. See you in the next video.